Here we have a Sundance with FL2, and it says 94. But right off the bat, I can't hear any pumps. So there's pump 1. Pump 2 works. Let's take off the side right here. Because we have an FL2 error code, I just turned the power off, and as you can see, that is a closed circuit. That's not supposed to be touching at all. It's supposed to look like this. So this is going to have to be replaced too. That's probably why we got the FL2 error code. So we had two issues on this tub. We had the FL2 error code, which it had nothing to do with this pump, because FL2 and FL1 would be connected to the circ pump, because that's where it's pushing through the flow switch. Normally, if you have FL1, you just remove the filters, and maybe the pump's not working. So the pump's working on this one. So we had FL2, which is closed circuit. This here is just another problem here. So FL2 showed up, but this is not why I was here. I was here because this pump's not working, and it's seized. But FL2 is this, and it has nothing to do with that. If you have an FL2 error code and you turn the power off, you can see that too. It is closed. So that's going to have to be replaced. So just find the flow switch, which is right there. There, I got it out. Now if you're looking for your new one, all information's right on here. It's upside down there, but it's the model number right there. So we're going to take this out. First, we got to drain the hot tub. Because this hot tub has no shut-offs, we have no choice but to empty it. Once I get this all out, I'll show you how to test it. Right here. Just at the end here, I'll test it. And then I'll show you with the new one. So you can see it's closed. And I'll show you what the other one should look like and how to test this thing. So we finally got it out. If you want to know how to take this out properly, I didn't have a stand here, so I'll link it right above right here or down below in the description how to take these off step by step. Now here's the new one. You see that there's a gap, and the old one kept on sticking. See, there you go. So it's stuck. So there's our new one, and then you just plug it in where you disconnected the other one. By the way, if you can't see yours, if it's open or closed, I'll show you a way of testing it. So you unplug the one end, which is that right there. Get yourself a meter, turn it to continuity where it beeps. Let's see the two tabs right there. We're going to put one lead on each one, and it shouldn't beep because it's disconnected. But because this is touching, see, it sticks once in a while. There, stuck. So it should beep. And that's what it was. That's why we were getting FL2. Apparently this was random, so I could see that. Like, see here, we can shake it and it gets undone. I don't know if it's magnetized or what, but our stick, we'll see, we'll test it right now. So we're still touching it, and it's not touching anymore. So no beep. Let's see if it'll stick together here. This is what it looked like when I unscrewed it from the T. The FL2 error code is gone. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like and subscribe.